Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depend your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my correalistic people, today I have another one to share with us. Because as they normally say that the story is sweet, but the food is sweeter. See, let me tell you something. A lot of people will say that they don't listen to the prime minister. I never knew that the whole world. Yes, so they listen to Simon Ekpa. I will tell you why. If I say they listen to him, they listen to him. Later, they will be telling you that, oh, what do you people see? That you are listening to him. What can he offer? He have nothing to offer. He has nothing upstairs. He is this, he is that. He is criminal, he is that. They will give him all sort of names. But believe me, they listen to him even more than you that claim that you follow him. I am telling you the truth. Now we know more better. See, let me tell you something. Nigerian media houses, they start calling on Simon Ekpa that he should come back to Nigeria. One of them was saying that Simon Ekpa used Peter Obi as cover up to write to USA and also make a call for referendum. You know that the prime minister wrote to UN. Yes, so he wrote to UN, wrote to some leaders, had a meeting and so many other things going on. And now they are saying that, oh, he's using Obi to cover up that he talked good about Peter Obi and the election. And then one of them said, oh, the prime minister writing to UN is a very good move. That there are elements of truth in some of the words that he wrote. Like the one that he wrote that they burn market, they do this, they do that, they smash the ballot box. He said those things, they are the facts. They are true. That Biafra prime minister said the truth in those aspects. And that he used Obi to immediately ask for a referendum when he wrote to UN, USA, and so many other places. See, let me tell you, they are not telling him to come back to Nigeria. They are begging Biafra prime minister to come back to Nigeria, my people. They said he should come back to Nigeria and be working hand in hand with the lawyers in the court. They said that they are going to give him the offer to work with the legal personnel that are in charge of the issue about election, that the way they are seeing this Biafra prime minister is going to do exploit, and he has the energy. They say that if Simon Ekpa come to Nigeria, he's going to bring more information, he's going to give them more evidence, that in fact, Simon Ekpa should keep the evidence coming. I am like, shoo. So what evidence do you really need that Simon Ekpa should give to you at this particular time? All the evidence that you cover during the election, during the voting system, during collecting of PVC, are they not evidence enough? What evidence do you want him to come down to Nigeria to give to the court? The court, they don't have eyes or ears to hear or to see. Come on. Now they are not calling him to come to Nigeria to bring more evidence. Can you imagine this? I was thinking that he is nobody all this while. I was thinking that even if they give Simon Ekpa any post, that nobody listened to him, as some people make us to believe. I never knew that all of them, they listened to him. I told you that they are taking some kind of ideology from him. They are taking idea from him. They understand and they love him, but they don't want to say it. The man was like saying that, oh, Simon Ekpa is waving, is not stable. Yes, it's not stable. That is why they cannot understand him. Now, for them to call him to come to Nigeria to bring more evidence, what do you think about that? I am so surprised. Now, there is something that is always seeking into my mind. All this while, the post of Biafra prime minister is vacant. Yes, I will say that. All along, nobody has come out to say, oh, we are nominating this person, or there will be election. This person will be a Biafra prime minister and all that. We have not even heard about that name for a very long time, like I said before. But as soon as Biafrans elect Simon Ekpa as the prime minister, hey, come and see crime. If you know that this post of prime minister has been vacant for many years, if you know that people are looking up to this prime minister, if you know that people are looking for who will be Biafra prime minister, people want to look up to that particular person. People need this Biafra prime minister for a great move, but all along, nobody cares. That is just the basic truth. Nobody has come out with this name of prime minister. Nobody has said anything. But Bush, as soon as Simon Ekpa was elected Biafra prime minister, a lot of people now understand the office more better. A lot of people are now coming out and say, oh, I remember this, I remember that. When he has not been the Biafra prime minister, what is your take? Why have you not come up with an idea like this so that Biafrans will also follow you? That is what I said. That is what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu signify. He said, whatsoever you know you can do, bring it on. Bring it to the table. Let's deliberate on it. If it favors you, we join hands and we move it up. If it does not favor you, we know that it's not going to work out, then we step aside. Now, this post of this Biafra prime minister, I don't know why it is now healthy to a lot of people. Honestly speaking, a lot of people got the sleepless night. They got everything. Like, the post of Biafra prime minister came as a shock to so many people. They never see this coming. They never understand that one day it will be like now, this. Everybody is just busy talking about Biafra prime minister. Oh, who put you as prime minister? Who do this, who do that? When Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still in DSS custody, suffering, according to the story that right now his health condition is so bad, being that a patient with tuberculosis moved near Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cell. Like, this person is living so close. You know, every day, every minute, this person will start coughing. And automatically, the thing is already affecting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. See, let's channel that energy. Channel that energy to ask for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Channel that energy to give the point to the people, to tell the world what you know and why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be released and have good medical treatments. These are things that you should be doing, not attacking your brother, attacking your sister for the same goal, the same fight. Oh my goodness, this just got to stop. So my collegistic people, I said, let me bring you the update because I have promised that I will keep giving it to you back to back. Please do well to share this video. Let it go viral. Thank you so much and bye-bye.